Hello developers, in this video we will discuss how to set up MongoDB. So these are the steps to set up MongoDB. First step is we need to install MongoDB. So this is the official website. From here we can install MongoDB. Let's go to browser. Okay. From here latest version is currently 8.0.4. We will download it. So it is downloading. Let's wait for a few minutes. So let's go and we will install it in download folder. Okay, we are installing it. Next, accept the terms and conditions. Next, do complete. Next, next, install. So the installation is finished. Click on finish. Welcome to Compass. Start. Okay. For now, we are closing it. Okay. So what's the next step? Now we need to locate to mongod.exe file present in program files. Okay, so let's go to program files, download, see, program files, go to MongoDB server, version 8 is installed, go to bin folder, see mongod.exe file is here, copy the path. Okay, now we need to add it to the environment variables. Okay, so these are the steps how to add it to the environment variables. Go to system environment variables, edit environment variables, go to environment variables, then click on path, edit. Here we need to add the new path, Control V. This bin path here we will add. Okay, so we have given the path. And what's the next step? We need to create the directory using the command mkdir data.db. Okay, so this is created. Now we need to start the MongoDB server using command mongod. Okay, so now MongoDB server is started on default port 27017. So the next step is to set up the database. So we need to open another terminal in the command prompt and we need to run the command mongo sh. But before that we need to install the Mongo shell. Okay, so this is the URL. We need to go here and download the Mongo shell. So it is downloaded successfully. So it is downloaded now. Let's copy it and go to MongoDB folder, program files, MongoDB. Here we can add it. Okay, so now we have installed it. Now the next step is we need to add it to the path environment variables. Okay, so we need to locate mongo sh.exe file. Okay, let's go. Copy the bin folder, copy the path to the bin folder. Here mongo.sh.exe file is present. Go to the system variables, environment variables. Here we will add this path. Edit, new, Control V. Okay. Now the next step is, now we need to run mongo sh command. Okay, in the CMD. Let's create a duplicate tab. Type mongo sh. So we can see it is connected successfully. MongoDB version is 8.0.4 and Mongo Shell version is 2.3.7. Okay, so now we need to create a new database using the command use mytestdb. So you can replace mytestdb with the name of your database. This is the database name. You can create your own database and give the name here. So I am writing use mytestdb. Okay, mytestdb is not defined. Use testdb. Okay, so mytestdb, it is this DB is generated successfully. Now the next step is we can locate here. Go to this URL. So now we can see mytestdb is here. Okay, so the next step is we can insert the data. In MongoDB shell, we can insert some initial data. Let's copy it. Let's run it in the terminal. Okay, paste. Okay, so acknowledged is true, means data is inserted successfully. Let's go and check the data users. So as we can see, data is successfully inserted. Okay, so now we have created the user collection with the documents. So this is the setup of MongoDB.